We will guide you through how to make triangle AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD and clicking New to create a new drawing. Type polygon in the command line and press Enter to start creating the triangle. Enter 3 for the number of sides and press Enter because a triangle has 3 sides. Specify the center point by clicking a suitable location in the drawing area. Choose the Inscribed in Circle option if you want the triangle to fit inside an imaginary circle. Enter the required radius, such as 50, and press Enter. AutoCAD will create a 3-sided polygon using the center point and radius you specified. If you want to create a triangle using exact points instead, type line and press Enter. Specify the first point where you want the triangle to begin. Specify the second point to create the first side. Specify the third point to create the second side, and continue toward the required triangle shape. Type C and press Enter to close the line back to the first point and complete the triangle. Type DM and press Enter if you want to add dimensions. Select the required sides and place the dimensions in suitable positions around the drawing. To make the triangle easier to see, select it and change its color from the Properties panel or Home tab. Type Hatch and press Enter if you want to fill the triangle with a hatch pattern. Select a suitable hatch pattern and click inside the triangle to apply it. Press Enter to finish the hatch command and check the completed triangle. Use Zoom Extents to fit the triangle properly in the drawing area. Review the triangle and check that the sides, dimensions, hatch, and overall shape are correct. Make any necessary adjustments to improve the drawing. Finally, save the completed drawing by pressing Ctrl+S and give the AutoCAD file an appropriate name for future editing and reference.